Hey, welcome back to another minute in the boardroom. So it's a bit echoey just the way this building is built. But this is where I share some business advice, career advice, things that have helped me over the last 20 years to take my career from here to here, things that I've utilized in multiple businesses to either get them off the ground, okay, or get them from a stagnant place to a growing place. So I want to be able to share that. Well, today's tip, okay, is that you've got to have a vision. I don't care if it's in your career or your business. People perish when they have no vision. You've got to know where you want to go. If it's in your career, you have to have a defined plan where you want to be in 3 years, where you want to be in the next year. If it's in your business, how much you want to grow, how you're going to grow, where you want to grow. I'm surprised of how many people who talk about being dissatisfied in their careers or their business but have no goals for where they want to be. So if you want to be successful, one of the things that you've got to do, you have to, must do, is get a vision and make it plain, write it down. Then you're on course to success. So listen, that's just really a quick minute from the boardroom, from my own boardroom here, where I'm one of the directors. If you have a question of what it takes to go from the bottom to the top in your career or in business, please send us an email that will come up at the end of this video or at the bottom of this social media feed, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. All right, thank you, and see you soon for another minute in the boardroom. Bye-bye.